Welcome to Film World Cinemas. For film information and times, press 1. To make a booking, press 2. To speak to an operator, press 3. These are the films for today, Tuesday the 7th. Please note that ticket prices are €5 for adults and €3.50 for children under 14. On screen 1, Don't Open the Door. A group of college students decide to rent a house in the mountains for a relaxing weekend break, but they aren't the only guests on the mountain. One by one they start to disappear. Who or what is outside the house? Showing at 4:30, 7 o'clock and 9 o'clock. Screen 2, Ships in the Night. Maggie splits up with her boyfriend and decides to take a holiday on a cruise ship to help her forget him. Tony is a waiter on the ship, and he is very unhappy when his girlfriend leaves him to marry the captain. Together they find a way to forget their problems. Showing at 5 o'clock, 7:45 and 10:15. Screen 3, Street Match, The Return. The second film of French director Jean-Luc Ducroix. Two American teenagers buy an old car, and with a lot of hard work, and after a lot of problems, they enter their car into the street match competition. But is their car good enough to win? Showing at 5:50, 8:30 and 11:45. Screen 4, Lulu, It's a Dog's Life. This lovable little dog decides to leave home to look for fame and fortune in the big city. But after a series of hilarious events, he realizes that life in the country isn't so bad after all. From the makers of Shrek and Shark Tale, this is fun for all the family. Showing at 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock and 8:45.